3 days left till our biggest enrollment offer ends. Tired of doing the same job and want to explore something new? Gusto mo bang magkaroon ng skills na in-demand dito sa abroad at sa Pinas? Naghahanap ka ba ng training na abot kaya pero di kalidad? This is your sign. Hello Kuwait, hello Philippines, hello Middle East, and hello world. Ako po muli si Miss Marjorie, isang student consultant dito sa ICSE. At andito ako para i-share ang exciting news para sa lahat ng gusto mag-level up this June. Enrollment is now open for our most in-demand courses. Computer Secretarial, ideal for those eyeing admin jobs, learn MS Office, business correspondence, and more. Perfect for schools, clinics, companies, or even remote work. Graphics designing. Want to turn your creativity into income? Learn to design content for social media, branding, and digital marketing using Photoshop, CorelDRAW, InDesign, and Illustrator. And there's more. We have a special package offer. Enroll in our UK Diploma in Health and Social Care and get a free caregiver practical training. Receive a diploma from the UK, which is internationally recognized, and receive 120 units or credits, and caregiver certificate from ICSA, which is approved in the UK. Ito po ay pwede i-authenticate sa DFA at pwede din po siya ipa-evaluate sa WIS or ICA ang inyong diploma. Perfect for OFWs and healthcare career shifters. Alam niyo ba, according to Global Workforce Trends, healthcare, digital marketing, and admin skills are among the top 5 in-demand skills worldwide this 2025. So don't wait for a next time or a perfect time. Make your move now. Only 3 days left mga kabayan before ang special offer namin mag-e-end na po. And limited slots lang po tayo. So secure your slot now down in the description below and achieve your goals and dreams. Para sa mga interested, mag-comment lamang o mag-message directly sa akin WhatsApp number +965 66803540 to enroll and grab our special offers. You are never too old or too late to start chasing your dreams. Once again, ako po muli si Miss Marjorie with ICSA, your partner in success.